Communication is everything, especially in a dynamic and engaging community like Fairfax County. Residents rely on fairfaxcounty.gov as one way to keep on top of everything happening here. That's why we've refreshed the homepage, making it a more simplified experience, featuring all the information you want right up front. After analyzing usage heat maps that illustrate years of traffic, we focused the homepage down to its essence by reducing visual clutter and unused links to create a better customer experience for you. We've created easy access points to find, pay, and report the most used services at the top left of the page. For added convenience, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media and communication tools are also clearly presented. The central backdrop to the homepage is a large photo space featuring a rotation of photographs capturing timely and newsworthy events from around the county. Our search engine has also been upgraded, and the refreshed homepage now features trending topics based on real-time search patterns. We've also made it easier for you to find our main contact center, where you can call, email, or tweet your county government with questions. Accessing fairfaxcounty.gov using a smartphone or tablet? No problem. The refreshed homepage now pops up perfectly formatted to whatever device you use through responsive design. We are proud of our recent Digital Counties Award. However, we're constantly striving to bring you an improved online experience. Come knock on Fairfax County's digital front door, our homepage, and see for yourself how a little refresh based on data can make all the difference.